Floridian number 41 headed from Lakeland, Florida to Tampa, Florida. We're here in Plant City, Florida.
In this video, you will witness the Amtrak from different vantage points, and then see it on its return voyage back from Tampa. There we will see some of the famous wild roosters roaming the streets of Ybor City and catch a few glimpses of the TECO trolley in action. There is also a CSX freight train that we will see that was nearby. We'll have to jump in our car and get ahead of it here in Plant City, just barely catching it in time.
Hi, I'm Mike. Welcome to Pathway to Joy. Today we're in Plant City, Florida. Come along with us.
We were standing at the train viewing platform at the Williford Museum when we heard this train and thought it was coming our way, but it was headed toward Tampa, so we jumped in our car and got ahead of the train. Fortunately, it had stopped, but we barely got parked in time to walk across the street and video it.
We caught this freight train as it left Plant City headed for Tampa. It has some steel coil cars by BNSF and also some tanker cars.
Here we are walking through McCall Park. It's the heart of downtown festivals in Plant City and is a great place to watch trains. The park is located right next to the railroad tracks and is across the street from the historic Williford Train Museum. It's approximately 24 miles east of Ybor City, where we'll take you next to see the same Amtrak coming back that we just saw going to Tampa.
This is the Williford Museum. We are standing on the tower side where there's a viewing tower, and the A-line and S-line intersect at the museum. We will now drive the 24 miles over to Ybor City, where we will stand trackside and view the train as it comes back out of Tampa. Tampa Union Station is less than 2 miles from where we are standing. The train goes from there down to Miami, and that's the end of the line. It goes back to Chicago from here. We always like to give a good thought for the day. Jesus also said, "Go ye into all the world and preach the gospel to every creature. He that believeth and is baptized shall be saved."
There's a rooster crossing the road.
This is the TECO line streetcar that runs along 8th Avenue in Ybor City. The roosters that you see are actually protected. They are a cherished part of Ybor's cultural identity. And Ybor City is famously home to wild roosters and chickens that roam freely throughout the neighborhood. You'll see them along the sidewalks and going down the streets. And here it looks like someone had thrown some chicken feed out that actually spilled over into the street.